Welcome to Autopedia, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews. Today, we're exploring the striking exterior of the 2025 Mahindra UV300, a compact SUV that seamlessly blends ruggedness with modern elegance. Right from the first glance, the UV300 makes a bold statement with its commanding and upright stance. The boxy silhouette, a hallmark of Mahindra's design language, exudes strength and reliability. Its sharp character lines and robust proportions ensure it stands out, whether on urban streets or rugged trails. At the front, the UV300 features a refreshed grille with bold chrome accents, which give it a premium look. The Mahindra logo takes center stage, surrounded by sleek LED headlights that integrate striking daytime running lights. These lights are designed to improve visibility and add a futuristic touch to the vehicle's face. The sculpted bumper houses stylish fog lamps and a silver skid plate, underlining the SUV's off-road capabilities. On the sides, the high shoulder line, flared wheel arches, and bold cladding reinforce its tough and sporty personality. The dual-tone 17-inch alloy wheels add a touch of sophistication while ensuring excellent performance on all terrains. Roof rails and a blacked-out B-pillar enhance its adventurous vibe, while the high ground clearance makes it ready for any challenge. The rear of the UV300 is equally impressive, with a redesigned tailgate that features a mounted spare wheel. Reminiscent of classic SUVs, the LED taillights are sleek and modern, adding an upscale feel to the rugged design. The rear bumper, with integrated reflectors and a faux skid plate, completes the robust look. Mahindra offers the UV300 in an exciting range of colors, including bold black, dazzling silver, and fiery red. These colors are carefully chosen to complement the SUV's rugged yet refined character. The UV300's exterior design isn't just about looks, it's functional too. The aerodynamic enhancements reduce drag, improving fuel efficiency and stability at higher speeds. Every element of its design serves a purpose, ensuring that form meets function perfectly. The UV300 has come a long way since its debut in 2015. Known for its durability and off-road prowess, it has continually evolved to meet modern demands. The 2025 model reflects years of refinement and innovation,